Ravi, with Altair now being part of Siemens, what capabilities are you bringing to Siemens?
We're bringing a tremendous amount of gaps that Siemens has in the digital twin area, that we're filling those gaps effectively. First, we're bringing structural simulation, electromagnetic simulation, and we are leaders. Altair has been leaders in optimization technology, topology optimization. And we're also have the broadest portfolio of manufacturing simulation products. And why that is important is we bring sheet metal forming simulation.
Yes.
We understand the process. We bring casting simulation. We bring injection molding simulation. We bring extrusion, both polymer and metal extrusion simulation. We bring polyfoaming, foaming simulation. These are all important criteria to understand manufacturing simulation and manufacturing problems that can occur. And as a result of us doing this over the few years, we also feed that into our optimization to drive optimization designs. So the designs are manufacturable. Okay, so that's one huge area where we bring addition to the digital twins. The second thing we bring is also our ability to connect all these dots and create geometric deep learning with physics AI and AI because to us, OpenAI and others have taken the large language information and they've created context and language and made linguists. Our job is to create the geometrists of the world where they can create geometry that's ready for manufacturing and for production. So that from a cocoon of an idea, you can get a butterfly, right?
Yeah.
So we need to connect all the dots, as Roland talks about in Siemens, about the digital threads. And that's where we bring in the ability to connect geometric deep learning so that companies who have done this simulation over the ages can create AI models out of what they've already done in a spatial way. And we bring that technology. And in order for them to consume this technology, you need to use compute resources. And that is our second play, where we are the leaders in high performance computing. So you can use computers and get good throughput and utilize compute resources very effectively, right? So we bring that layer. The fourth layer we bring in, I'm losing count, I'm an engineer, I'm not a mathematician, but the other layer that we bring is the data analytics with our data fabric, and you're going to hear a lot about our graph data, semantics, ontology, and things like that, where we feel that the AI data fabric that bring will connect the digital threads in more ways that you can do before. And it dovetails perfectly with simulation with Siemens because their tentacles are in the design and in manufacturing, and we bring the thread, high performance computing, everything. So it's a perfect marriage.
Well, yesterday in the press conference, Cedric spoke about how AI powering the industrial metaverse. You had software-defined automation, you had the digital twin, and with G coming on board, how the comprehensive digital twin, filling in the blanks, all powered by industrial AI. And what you're bringing in, there's a lot of complementary pieces falling into place here.
Complementary pieces, yes. And also the one thing I always tell about AI initially, everybody's jumping on AI. But the thing is, there is no AI without organized information, okay? And to me, we bring that organizational capability with metadata and things like that, so that even if you created an AI model, who knows where the AI model is? Second, how do you know how good the AI model is?
I agree.
And third, how do I distribute it so that if I'm a purchaser, I want to have an AI model to understand who's the supplier, who's the best supplier for this, where should I get this information from, who's going to make this? You need to have that information readily available so that you're not scrambling, making emails and phone calls saying, where is my inference model, right?
It's got to be accessible.
Exactly. And as soon as you talk to any data scientist, the first question they ask is, where is the data? Okay? And on the other end of the spectrum, if you've created an AI model, the next everything else is, where is my AI model? What is this AI model? What is this for?
How do you explain it? How do I trust it?
Exactly. So these are things we help bring faster with our data AI fabric and our graph data and all the investments that we already made at Altair to connect the pieces together. Hopefully that answers your question.
I could be here all day. Fascinating times ahead, huh?
Absolutely fascinating. We're super excited about this combined entity for our customers and for us together. And I think it's exciting for all of us.
Oh no, hey, thank you so much for taking the time, sir. Thank
My
you.
pleasure.